welcome back to another Hexplex video. I know it's been a while, I've been sick, I've been busy with work, hence why I haven't been uploading for a long time, but because we're starting a new series of catching predators, because I can't really say the full name unless you go on my Twitter, which will be linked down below so you can check out all their stuff we caught and expose them, so you know if they are in your community and to watch out for them. So, what we're going to do today, we made a powerful OSINT tool which we can search and find people. So I was like, what about if they send us images, we use that as an advantage to check the date, location, time and everything, right? So let's make one happen. And before we start catching more of them, I already caught 2, and it'll be quite good for us to have that tool, because then we can gather more information and report them to the police and get them arrested. So what we're going to do in this video, you're going to follow me how to create your own image extracting tool using the terminal nano, make a DR so you can make your folders and everything work. I tried earlier with a web UI, so as a GUI we had some issues with it, so I'm just going to switch back like I did with my OSINT tool and just literally use our terminal. So let's get the video started. It's going to be a long video. I'm going to speed up some processes so I don't bore you guys. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's do it. And after we do this, we test it out, and then in the next video, good news, we'll be hunting them down, and we'll show you how we do it, how we catch them out, and all that fun juicy stuff, because we need to expose them so people around us are safe. So let's do this. Right, so Control P, so it looks nicer. We need to make some folders so it makes more sense when we do stuff. So the folder was going to look like we're going to make a DR, right? And we're going to do EXEF, let's say, tool. And we're going to do that. Then we're going to do LS. Is it there? Yeah, it is there. You can delete that. That's from the old one. I don't need that. It's just going to confuse me. So I'll just move it to trash. Waste bin. There we go. Don't need that. We need to be in here. Right, so let's make our folders. So we're going to do CD EXIF tool. Right, we're in here. Now you have to make 2 folders. One folder which is going to run our app in the terminal, and the second one example.jpg, so where any test photos you upload are going to be saved there. So let's make another one, mkdr, and we're going to name this exef terminal.py. That's what we're going to call it. Double check if it's there. Yes, it's there. Now we're going to make another one called example. You can also follow this along if you want to make your own one, updated version, much more better, so you're more than happy. Can you spot the mistake I did? Because I did. It's mkdr. There we go. Now if we do ls, we have our folders in place. So we're going to do clear, so we have a nice thing to work with. Right, so first what we're going to do, we need to open Nano and write our script. I'm going to speed up the process, but if you want to tag along, slow down this video so you can copy and paste my code if you want to. That's completely up to you. So we're going to go into our Nano and we're going to type in the folder name we want to write our code into, which is X if terminal. Also, by the way, I'm sick, so I might be not the greatest moods today. Right. Okay. Right. I know it says a red thing at the bottom, but we can change that. It's a directory. Ah, okay. Before we mess things up, let's do rm exif. We're gonna delete that, then write a better one. and we're going to use... You're saying I cannot remove it? Watch me. I just did. See? We're going to use touch. Touch ex .py, because now if we ls, see, it's a different color, so it's not a folder. We can write code in it. Now we can do nano, and see, no red thing at the bottom. So if you're making it, be cautious with it. People do make mistakes. I make mistakes. So yeah, let's go from there. Let's write our code. Is going to be a fairly long video. So many tissues. Oh, my nose is running. Right, so we're going to do, make sure you have everything installed first. All the versions, you have updated everything. So let's get to it. Enjoy the video. Right, so we have finished our code. Now let's see if it runs. But what I need to do first is to download an image, right? So what we can do now is go to here. I don't know. No. Big. And go on images. Let's download it. Save as downloads. Yes, save it there. Because we have to test it out, right? Cool, everything's done. This has been updated, as you can see in different things. Right, so let's have some fun, I guess. iPhone 3 exef. .py, and now my image, which will be here. In downloads, there we go. We're gonna do cut XCF tool. And then we paste it here. It should work, because then we can do Python 3 this and then this name, and it should run. Untitled. Cool, let's test it out. Maybe. I might be wrong. Sorry, I messed it up. PG. There we go. There we go. So, let's see if it works. Enter. Bugs. We love bugs. Time to fix bugs. Line 11. Path. Back to it. Here we go again. Was it line 11? I put 2 of them instead of 1. Right, clear. Let's run this again. Okay, line 60 was wrong. Never closed. Line 60. Where's line 60? Was never closed. That is my bad. I'll close it now. Is that better? This is what I mean. When you code, you want to be very case sensitive on things you do. Right, let's get back to the code. Yes, I know, I forgot the comma as well. Oh, no, I did. That's how it should be. There should be no fucking 0. Oh, let's see if you can spell today. Right, time to troubleshoot more stuff. Line 65 and line 25. Okay, seems alright. Line 25. There we go. I'll put S, something like that. Why are you being so weird? Right, let's fix this. Right, let's update it because it ran nothing, it found nothing. So instead of crashing, we can change it to we do try. How should we update it so it makes more sense? So we're going to change that bit. So it is if exf raw is none, print no ex data found in this image dot poof poof. Right, we're gonna do return. Control save. Right. Now, if we run it, line 18. It's in the block, so obviously it's not gonna go through it correctly. So make sure it's all lined up. Then we're going to type E. Right, I'm going to add a space to it so it's not in the same block. Then we're going to do print. Right, so now after we added that bit, let's see if it works. Still annoying. Right, I'll get back to you guys when I've finished this. I know I did, because it's in the fucking block, isn't it? There we go. I have to move everything. This is what I mean, spacing is so bloody important. I think that should do it. Let's try again. Okay, so I have a different code, line 19. Because it's not fucking exact, is it? Right. This is what I mean. When you make new code, it's trial and error. There we go. It works. It didn't find no ext data found in this image, which means it ran through everything and it did not find any information about the image. So this is how you make a image instructor to, you know, find stuff. So with this video, hopefully you enjoyed it. It shows you how to create your own program, how to run it, how it works. And the next program will be using this plus my OSINT tool, which also I'll show you guys. Go cd ls, where is it? cd, and then we can do, what tool do we have in here? We're going to use that -3. So here, for example, you choose, you want a phone number, you want this, you want that, like IP lookup, and it shows you everything. You literally just press, let's say, 1, boom, enter the phone number. But when you enter phone numbers, let's say you have to do 4, depending on what you're looking for, right? It won't find nothing, it will come back with this, let's say username, to, oh yeah, I need to run the code again. So we do 2, let's say exploits, 1, searching there, all like searching all major things like social media, Facebook, and all that. And if it finds something, as you can see, search for username or social media, It will give you that output, whatever you found. We did one as a joke for Elon Musk. Oh wow! Apparently, I have Pinterest, which I don't, but okay. So apparently, this exploits on Facebook, which is dope. We do have a Twitter page. That's true. That's correct. Let's open it. See what it shows, or X, whatever you want to call it. And look, there we are. I'm impressed. Right, okay. That found us. Instagram. We don't have an Instagram. But let me check. Yeah, that's what I said. We don't have Instagram. We don't have LinkedIn. We don't have Reddit. We don't have Snapchat. I didn't find our YouTube channel. Strange. Okay. Because I didn't add in a code. So yeah, it's like we made that tool, and then also we have this tool. So you can do name search up, IP lookup, exit. So now we have really good two powerful tools which we can use to find them predators exactly where they are, what they look like, if the image is AI generated or not, stuff like that. So see you guys in the next one, and hopefully you